Fine. Before starting the session, I would like to ask you some of the questions. Could you please help me with these answers? Okay. So, what is the use of retained earnings account? Okay, I got answer from offline. Anyone from online who can able to answer this?
Retained earnings is transferred to one
What
fiscal
is the
year
use
to.
of retained earnings account?
Sir, return earnings is mainly used for the to transfer the amount of one fiscal year to next fiscal year.
So you can unmute and you can talk. Thing. There is an option there. You can unmute happily. So okay, 1 minute. I could not able to hear you. Wait 1 minute.
To carry forward the balances.
So there was a technical issue.
Profit
Sorry.
and
Yes, please go on. I could not. I didn't hear your voice. Now it's fine. So
To
please go
carry
on.
forward the balances.
To carry forward the balances. What balances? Where you have to carry forward?
Balance sheet.
profit and loss balances to vary.
Profit and loss balances you are carrying forward to the balance sheet.
Balance sheet, yes.
Okay, very good. Very good. Congratulations, all of you. Yes, Sonal, you are correct. Thank you for answering. So, now, what is the use of field status variant? Can you give me one example? What is the use of field status variant? Can you give me one example?
Field status variables are used to control the various uh, various controls during the transactions. Like text we can activate, suppress, or it can be made as a mandatory.
Okay, okay,
Controlling fields during the transaction.
very good. Agreed. Suppose there is a field called profit center. If I make it as suppress, okay, is it possible to post a transaction with the profit center?
No. No.
Yes or no?
No.
How many of you yes? How many of you know? Listen my question once again. There is a field called profit center. I made it as suppress. I made it as suppress. Okay. So is it possible to post a transaction with the profit center? I hope. Is my question clear? There is a field called profit center, but that field is in suppress. Now I want to post a transaction with the profit center. Is it possible or not? Yes or no?
No, we can't post
No,
it
no,
because
no.
we have only
No.
we
It's
have
not
only
possible.
made it suppress.
Oh, no is the correct answer. If I keep it as a suppress mode, how can you able to post it? It will not allow you to enter that value. Okay, that is fine. How many account types are there in SAP FI?
5.
5 account types. What are they?
Assets, customer, vendor, materials, GL account.
Okay, very good. Okay,
Liability.
assets. So now it's not assets liabilities. It's a account types I told you to write. Okay, while configuring opening and close posting periods. So like it is like assets, vendors, customers, materials, GL accounts. These are the account types. Okay, fine. So next question. What is the use of fiscal year variant?
It is used to select the financial year.
Okay. What is the use of calendar year checkbox? What is the use of calendar year checkbox?
Calendar year, if we maintain calendar year, we have to follow the from January to December like that. It will be a year dependent.
If the fiscal year is our calendar year, we can check that checkbox. Because in some
Not
countries, the
really.
fiscal year and calendar year are same.
Okay. That means if you are selecting calendar year, then your periods will start from January to December.
January. Yes.
January to December. Okay. Calendar periods. So what is the use of special periods?
For adjustment,
Within a,
For adjustments,
yes, for
we have
that
to
year.
use
When we are doing these adjustments?
After completing the financial year.
yeah,
After completing the financial year?
we are doing
Okay.
that. Hmm.
So after completing the financial year, we will use these adjustments. Okay. Is it mandatory to use 4 special periods?
Yes.
All? Is it mandatory to use 4 special periods?
Uh,
Is it mandatory?
depends upon adjustments.
It's not mandatory to use four special periods. If you want to use, you can use. Otherwise, not required. At least one also you can use. Two also you can use. Three also you can use. If you don't want to use any special periods, you can make it 0. Okay. So it's not mandatory. Clear? Fine. What is the use of credit control area?
To set the limits for credit for the customers. Credit limit.
So it is to control the credit limit of the customers. Okay. Fine. What is the use of FM area? What is the use of FM area? It is used to control the budget. Okay. So next one. What is I'll go to configurations a little bit more. What is chart of accounts? How many chart of accounts are there in SAP?
Highest hierarchy in
Three types of chart of accounts.
What is that?
Operating,
Okay.
group of accounts,
Okay.
country.
country.
Oh. So operating chart of accounts, group chart of accounts, country chart of accounts. What is mandatory in this? What is mandatory in this?
Operating.
Operating chart of accounts is the mandatory in this. Very good. Okay. Why we are using operating chart of accounts? Why we
Day-to-day
are using
financial transaction.
Yeah, go on. If you have headphones or a mic, you can use that because it will be easy for others to understand your questions.
To run the day-to-day financial transaction.
To run the day-to-day transactions. Okay. To post the day-to-day transactions. Okay. After posting only, we can run the reports. So first we have to tell that to post day-to-day financial transactions. Clear? Fine. Next, what is GL account?
GL account is a general ledger account, which is the basic account, the main account, main posting account.
Okay. That's it. Anything else you can give? So as per SAP, I told you some lines. What is GL account? GL account is the main ledger. GL account is the main ledger. Where did I told you this? Yes. Check out here. GL account is the main ledger. All the financial transactions will be posted to general ledger account. Okay. So either you can post it manually or automatically. Examples also I have told you. Rent, salaries, ban. Okay. These are all the examples. Okay. Now one question, tricky question. So I have company code. I have chart of accounts. What is the highest hierarchy? My question. I have chart of accounts. I have company code. What is the highest hierarchy in this? Hierarchy means level. So ఏది పెద్దది? ఏది high? What is the highest level? What is the highest level between chart of accounts and company code? And I need explanation also. Why?
Chartered account is the highest hierarchy in GL.
Okay, chart of accounts is the highest hierarchy. Agreed. Thomas, you are correct. But why?
Because it is acting as an index for all the transactions.
Sorry, without chart of accounts?
It is acting as a main, like an index of a book.
Okay, if you don't mind, can you repeat once again?
In GL accounts, the chartered accounts will be the main index for all the transactions. Or it
Okay.
will define all the transactions in GL accounts.
Okay. So fine, but it's not exact answer what we are looking. So generally, why chart of accounts is the highest hierarchy means, so chart of accounts and company code. Okay, chart of accounts, under one chart of accounts we can assign multiple company codes. Okay, chart of accounts కింద multiple company codes assign చేయొచ్చు. Under one chart of accounts we can assign multiple company codes. That is the reason chart of accounts is the highest hierarchy. Both are important to post a GL account. Chart of accounts is important. Company code is also important. Without chart of accounts, we cannot post. Without company code also, we cannot post. Both are important. Okay. But why chart of accounts is the highest hierarchy? Because under one chart of accounts, I can assign multiple company codes. That means one chart of accounts can be assigned to multiple company codes. Okay. For one company code, there will be only one operating chart of accounts, but same operating chart of accounts can be used for multiple company codes. Clear, all of you? All of you?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now what is cost elements? Now I'm going to master data level questions. What is cost elements? What is cost elements?
Cost carriers. Cost elements are cost carriers.
Cost
It will
elements
carry
are
cost and revenue.
cost elements
Cost
are cost
carriers.
carriers. Okay. It will carry.
It will carry cost and revenue.
Okay.
Between FI and CO controlling.
Okay. Between finance and controlling, it will carry the cost. Okay. What is cost centers? What is cost centers?
It is used to track cost.
It is used to no. Cost
Track
centers are
cost.
cost objects. Cost centers are cost objects. Okay. It is used to track the cost. So your answers are correct, but voice is getting a little bit echo. If possible, try to have headphones with the noise cancellation. That will help us very better. Okay. So fine, very good, good all of you team. So now let us go to one more question. So I have posted a transaction What is the T code to post GL transaction?
FS00.
What is the T code to post general ledger? Post I'm asking, not create. What is the T code for posting GL accounts? What is the T code? F-02. Fine. What is another T code? Okay. Now I want to see general ledger report. It's a basic uh, question. I want to see general ledger report. How much rent I have posted? How much outstanding? How much rent provision I have posted? How to check? What is the T code? What is the T code for seeing report? GL report.
FS00.
FS00 is for creation of GL accounts. My question, I want to see a report. After posting a transaction, I want to see a report. FD50, no. After posting a transaction, suppose rent I have posted, I want to see how much value is there in the rent account, or I need to see each and every transactions of rent account for the period of July or August or complete 2024 financial year. How to do? So, what is the T code? FBL3N. Very good. Another T code? No. FAGLL0. One more L is missing. Okay. Fine. FBL3N is very good answer, and FAGLL03 is also very good answer. That is where we can see the line item wise. If I want to period wise, then FAGLB03 or FS10. That is one T code. Okay. So what is the T code for? What is the transaction code for posting payment? GL payments, GL outgoing payments. What is the transaction code for posting GL outgoing payments? F-00, no. FB50 is for posting. I'm asking about outgoing payment, Satish. I'm not asking about posting. I'm asking about GL outgoing payment. GL outgoing payment. GL outgoing payment. Okay, fine. So let me continue that topic I did not cover. So let us complete that topic today.